Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. Next up, this is a discontinued LEGO model. It actually was the very first LEGO Creator Expert styled large-scaled car, the Volkswagen Beetle, which was introduced in the year of 2008. Now, I do want to make a note here. If you actually want to buy this vehicle as a full set, you're probably gonna have to spend something close to $450 to $500 US. Now, personally, I did not feel like that was really all too fair for a car like this. And so I did it kind of the cheap way. You see, most of these parts are available just out of Bricks and Pieces or Bricklink for far, far cheaper than the original prices. And so I purchased most of these parts from the just LEGO's own Bricks and Pieces service, as well as parted it out on Bricklink, and ended up spending only around $100 to $150 on this car. So that was a savings of basically $300. So I'm pretty happy about that. However, there are a few things I do need to point out about this. You see, the 4x8 standard LEGO plates in dark blue were insanely expensive on Bricklink. It was stupidly expensive to buy them. And so I figured, why not just purchase the black ones, and maybe they're gonna be tucked away in the model and people won't notice. Yeah. That's not really tucked away, so to be completely honest, I think that after this review, I eventually am going to have to bite the bullet and just go ahead and purchase those plates to really have the complete car. It almost kind of looks like the paint's been rusted because there's just a few spots here and there where you notice the dark blue plates have been replaced with dark black. I did the best I could to minimize this, but unfortunately you can really see it on the top of the car as well as in the front here, so I will be minimizing that. I'll be actually replacing it with my own pieces, but if you can get behind that, this is basically a pretty close replica, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, all things considered, because again, I spent a lot less on this model than I sure would have if I just wanted to actually manage to get all the pieces correctly and buy it as a set. That being said, even if I were to purchase all of the missing dark blue plates here and some of these silver wheel elements as well, I definitely would not be spending over $300. I don't think I would even spend over $50 or $60, so I think this is definitely an absolute win. I really appreciate being able to purchase this for such a low price, especially given that it is a very, very rare vehicle, and really the part out method absolutely worked for this build. So since this was the first Creator Expert car they ever did, the building techniques are fairly rudimentary. There's no sorts of curvature or specialized elements being used here. Everything is just fully brick built. So it definitely feels like more of an older style of LEGO build than usual, but it certainly has its own unique charm. You can open the full hood upwards to reveal one of the tires. These tires are actually pretty rare. I kind of regret getting 5. I don't know why I got the full count there because this one's just kind of hidden away. But getting these specific tires here actually will set you back quite a lot. It's really surprising how certain aspects of this model have just gotten stupidly expensive, to the point where I just don't think it really makes too much sense to me. However, though, that being said, you can move it all the way onto the back here where the back actually does lift up as well. You can even see the engine on the inside of the car there, so I have managed to replicate all of the original detail from the original build. Other than the license plate being a sticker that went across multiple pieces, I did not actually want to put that on because it is a stamp, again, sticker, that goes across multiple pieces. Otherwise, though, this is a pretty faithful replica. I'm very happy to have this to finally complete my LEGO Creator Expert car collection. I've actually been managing to buy up all the ones that I've been missing throughout the years. Very recently, I went to another used store and just got one of the final sets I needed to complete the collection. So with the addition of this and one more car, which you're going to be seeing in an upcoming video, I now own them all. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very, very soon.